Oh yeah, this seems like the perfect spot.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, it looks so good. Yes, it is perfect. Why does this keep happening?
All right, I think that's everything. How's your sandcastle going?
Annika, I am building it again and again, but mine keeps getting ruined by the water. But look at Sabrina's castle. That is solid and strong. It's so frustrating.
Aw, that's really bad. But you know what? This actually reminds me of a parable from the Bible. It's about two builders who were deciding where to build their houses. I think it'll interest you.
Yeah, should we tell Sabrina?
Yeah, I think she'll like it. Hey Sabrina, you want to hear a story with Athena and I?
Yeah, sure. I could also use a break from this expert sandcastle building.
Okay, let's all go and grab a snack while I tell you guys about it.
Jesus told a parable about two men who each decided to build a house. The two men went looking out for the perfect place to build. The wise man thought carefully about the kind of house he wanted to build. He wanted a house that was strong. So he looked everywhere until he found the perfect place. The man used a giant rock as the foundation of the house and began building. The foolish man didn't think as carefully about the kind of house he wanted to build. He just wanted a house. So he found a flat place on the sand and began to build his house. When strong winds or heavy rain began to form, the wise man's house remained sturdy because of its strong foundation. The foolish man's house began to come apart. The foundation of the house was weak, causing it to come down.
So, did you guys like the story?
Yeah, it was great. It really was. The wise man in the story was like someone who listened to Jesus' instructions and then followed them. Jesus' instructions are always right.
Yeah. When a person builds their life on Jesus' words, they're building a strong foundation. Just like your castle's foundation, Sabrina. They are strong inside.
And the foolish man in the story was like someone who listened to Jesus' instructions, but then didn't follow them.
Yeah, when a person does not build their life on Jesus' words, they are not building a strong foundation. Just like your castle's foundation. They will be weak inside. God is great and wants what's best for us. He loves and cares for us. He wants us to build our lives on the rock. And you know what? Jesus is the solid rock. We are stronger when we trust in Christ. Adelina, I can help you build another sandcastle on solid ground.
Okay. Clearly, I'm the best sandcastle master, so let me help you guys too.